Hi everyone, it's Friday the 23rd of February 2024 and I thought I'd run through some of the trading systems which I'm running on my account. You can track them all here. This is the where I put them, www.myfxbook.com/members/, Alan Project. And these are the trading robots and systems which have been running over the last couple of years. I want to show you the Forex Cyborg, which I was running before. Now I'm no longer running this because its performance was starting to wane. So I did start this quite a long time ago, 2021. I actually did really quite well. And it was only around here when I decided, it's not looking so good. So around 2023 in April, you see it was still trying to reach, but kept falling and falling. And then I discontinued it because it did work for a long time and then failed. And these were some of the systems which I've seen online as well. Same kind of thing. It started to dwindle and not go anywhere. And these guys have also stopped it at the end of December 2023. And I think this is the official Forex Cyborg company. Even on their systems, you can see that they've stopped one of them 2021 and this one the end of 2023 because it wasn't doing anything more. It started off really well and then stopped performing. I mean, this does happen, unfortunately, with trading robots. They do perform and then they stop performing. It's hard to find one which does last forever, if that is at all possible. You can see here that I've run all sorts of experiments over the years, and depending when you joined us to watch our videos, I would have made a video for each of these ones. But I really want to focus on those ones which are still running, and these are the ones here at the bottom. So Waka Waka and Golden Pickaxe. This one I've been running since March 2023. You can see this has done really well. Made a 75%, almost 76% return. The gain and absolute gain are exactly the same. 16% drawdown. But since beginning of the year, it's been pretty smooth sailing all the way through. And this is one which you can copy on our Patreon account as a premium member for absolutely free. Likewise, FRZ Breakout MT4, you can also copy this for free if you are a Patreon premium member. And this one has made 152% return. This is a grid martingale system, so to some people it may be deemed as too risky. But you see from May 2023, it's returned quite nicely. We've had a drawdown here of around 30%. Don't know how that matches with this one here. It says 87%. I do remember we did get a chunky drawdown, but I'm not sure if that's true because usually if you get 50%, you'll get a margin call with IC markets. And I only use IC markets for my live trading, but this one, as I mentioned, is available to copy. It trades the euro dollar. You can see all the results here and what it's done, but it's done a great job so far. So this one has been performing just like this one here. So the set file for these two for euro dollar is available if you are a Patreon member. Dark Knight RX is a trade robot that is available on the MetaTrader marketplace. This has made a 68% return on our money, so $1,000. And yeah, it's made quite a good return. The only thing was some of the drawdowns, so we did get a 10% drawdown there. We've had quite a large drawdown, 25%, even though it says 65. I'm not sure if this is correct, but I do remember quite significant drawdowns since the beginning of the year, and it's been riding a drawdown since. The swaps are huge right now, so that's not great. A big chunk of the profit is going to be, if it makes any profit, will be towards paying off the swaps because we're holding positions for pound Aussie, which have been there since the beginning of March and waiting to claw back. So yeah, this one has made profit, but just lately it's had quite a hefty drawdown. You can see from July though, all the way to the end of last year, some quite decent results on this. So that's the Dark Knight RX. Friday Pro is another trading robot which we're testing, and this one was doing really well, almost 200%, and then beginning of the year it's dwindled a bit, but it's coming back. And actually, we're at all-time highs. If you take into consideration of the open position, we're actually at a high point here than at its previous peak. But most of this is attributed to our set files on Singapore yen. This is available only to our Patreon premium members. The author's set files are only the pound yen and dollar yen, but we've got the extra firepower of the Singapore yen trade. You can see here there's a good few hundred pips, maybe 400 pips, 500 perhaps more. I mean, in total, we're riding almost 900 pips of open positions right now on this account, and it's already closed over 4,000. So this is a trading robot which I do like. It isn't so busy. It's only pulling trades in on every Friday and then holding them as you're holding the yen pairs. You actually get paid quite a nice amount of swaps as well. So if you look at history, can't see the swaps, but you can see the profits. Quite a nice number of pips every time it closes. Yeah, so it's Friday Pro. I'm still running that. Still really like this trading robot. Gold Scalper was something which I was looking to test that blew up, so we're not running that anymore. AI Momentum Scalper is the latest trading robot which we're running, and it's doing extremely well. Started only in January. We've already made a 30% return on our money with only just a 4.5% drawdowns, under 5%. It is a real account using IC Markets, and you can see all the history here. It's running mostly on the DE40, which is the DAX 40 index. I have loaded all the other ones as well, but they don't trade as often. They still make profit, but not as often. D40, you see loads and loads of trades there. And it's already made 2,300 pips or points and a decent profit factor. So yeah, that's what I'm running right now. Just want to share that with you. We'll speak to you soon.